Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so very much for your support. I do appreciate you've really come through, and don't forget to comment and continue sharing. So today I'm in one of the iconic spots in Chicago, and that's the Lincoln Park Zoo. Me as an African, I grew up knowing that there are no like these zoos in the US, somewhere, maybe even in Europe. But yeah, today I wanna explore and see what they have here. Okay, the Lincoln Park Zoo. It's one of the oldest zoo in let me say in the US. It was founded in 1860s by the Lincoln Park Commissioners, and it's one of the most exciting thing about this zoo. It is actually free, and it's free for all the visitors. It's free for the residents here in Chicago. So yeah, I want to explore, and I want to explore with you guys and see what they have. So come with me as we get in the zoo. So here I am right now.
That's okay. No, it's just gonna be chaotic.
So this is the entrance to the zoo. So let's get in and see what they have. They have a fall fest. You might spot the gray seal gliding through the water, but I think they were a bit shy, and it's also my first time seeing them. They did not come up the surface. They just preferred staying underwater, exploring the habitat. Even though you could not see them up close, it was just amazing seeing them that swimming smoothly below. And the best moment are when you just see them with a silk body moving gracefully through the water. It's a reminder of how special and unique these animals are. have a cafe right here. It's not open at the moment. It's around 10, maybe it's early. And then here's where people come sit and eat. I finally got to see a deer up close for the first time. These gentle creatures move quietly through the habitat, blending in with the grass. With their delicate features and graceful movement, they are peaceful presence in the zoo. It's amazing to witness these beautiful animals, especially after never having seen one before. Their calm nature adds a serene touch to the zoo experience. So guys, right here we have a reptile house. This is one of the interesting places to explore in Lincoln Park Zoo. Inside here, you'll find a wide variety of reptiles, from slithering snakes to colorful lizards and ancient-looking turtles. Each exhibit is designed to mimic a natural habitats of these creatures, giving you a close-up look at their unique behaviors and adaptations. It's a great spot to learn about these often misunderstood animals and appreciate this incredible diversity. Whether you're curious about venomous snakes or just want to see a turtle close up, the reptile house offers something unique for everyone. So guys, really had fun, and I've seen different varieties of wildlife animals, but something that gave me a shock is I saw a cockroach in a zoo. Yeah, but never know. I also saw chimpanzees and the gorilla, which I've never seen them before. They're really like human beings. But yeah, all in all, I had fun. And yeah, it being in the US, like getting this experience in the US but not in Africa, it's really one of the greatest opportunities, and I'm really grateful. Yeah, thank you guys. If you're watching, continue watching, and I really do hope you guys comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you. So I'm really thirsty. I just decided to take some ice cream, some vanilla ice cream. Yeah, here it is. So I'm gonna get a spot where I'll just sit down and start biting my ice cream. Yeah. This is the Lincoln Park Conservatory. From a distance, the Lincoln Park Conservatory looks like a beautiful glass building surrounded by trees. Its big, clear windows and elegant design catch your eye as you walk through the park. Even before you get close, you can tell there is something special inside. The glass wall gives you a glimpse of the tall plants and greenery, inviting you to come in and explore. It's a peaceful and lovely sight that makes you want to come see more. I hope you did enjoy. For me, for sure I did enjoy, for me. And I hope you do subscribe, comment and share, and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye, see you next time.